Right, hopefully this doesn't make it lag, but yes, we are doing a YouTube video as well for this one. This is a Topps Chrome UCC mixer, hobby, breaker, and jumbo. All in one. Dubbreaks.com. Let's get this open. If you're watching on Twitch, hello. If you're watching on whatnot, hello as well. F1 notification.
Me. Is that what that was?
Do you remember an F1? I don't know. You'll remember F1 Chrome, wouldn't you? Of course. The
Do I remember F1 Chrome? I went on a bloody trek across London to get it.
It's true. Remember the box toppers they did? They were quite cool.
Well, the ones you never got.
Got them in flagship. And no, in Chrome as well, wasn't it? I remember we opened personal got one. Right, let's go. First box, hobby box. Let's see what we can get.
One of one.
Come on. Rodri. Future Stars, Bruno Gittins. Shooting Stars, Alvarez. Nice start there for the Man City other spot. I think that was... Who took that one in the end? I can't remember.
All last.
But yeah, make sure to bookmark our stream at 5 o'clock and at 9 PM as well. We've got a lot to do today. Marcel Desailly, is that? Yeah, wow. Another Marseille. There's loads of Marseille on these Star Balls.
There's two.
It's free. Drogba, Perez, and Marcel Desailly. Thank you.
He's got one to say.
Oh, you've got it. Do you want it top loaded? Okay. Correct answer. What do you reckon? Gary Scott, congrats.
Lazo.
Golazzo, Kolo Mwani. Very nice. And Edison. Obviously one Golazzo per box, I'm pretty sure on average. No numbered cards yet. Hopefully we can get something good. Oh! Base card Yamal. Baleba rookie. Pulsar. That's quite nice. Martin Udugu. Put that a top load. So nice little rookie. Yamal base chrome. Can he complain at lights? Let me tell you.
So how we hit this week on that? Read the inscription. Bottom there.
Get it graded, huh?
Bottom bit there.
Duranville, Isak, Dujon Sterling, and Declan Rice.
Why do you keep saying
Ooh, that's out of 50, isn't it? Out of
Gold,
50,
yeah.
gold vinyl.
What's
Well,
green?
yellow
Why is it
vinyl.
green?
It's probably Celtic, isn't it? Midfielder. It is Hyung Yang. A 5 of 50 rookie, by the way, for Celtic,
Very nice.
of course. That is a lovely card, though. I must admit, that card design is a massive superfractor tease.
I've always been being honest about it.
Yeah, I know. Well, it looks nice. Say his name again. Hyung Yang. It's the best.
Pyongyang Yang.
It's the best it's gonna get.
Without offending people.
Yeah. Right. Lozano. Forsen Refractor. Shooting Stars Vitor Roque. There we go. I think that's for Ronald.
Famously left £2.
Yeah, famously, very famously as well. Still do our autograph card from this hobby box, then we're going straight into Jumbo. Karim Konate, Bowen. Oh, Sergio Aguero, that's cool. Starball debut for Atletico de Madrid against PSV Eindhoven in 2008. And Kai Havertz. Yes. That's from Ronald Pipe.
Sorry to hear.
My striker.
It's not a striker.
Okay, this might be the auto here. Angel Correa. Virginius. Is it an, it is an auto. Not numbered. It's a midfielder. Is it a rookie? It's a rookie. Milambo. Feyenoord. I think that went quite cheap, didn't it?
Probably.
Yeah, it went on whatnot, so yeah, it did go cheap. Lewis Smiley at the back there as well. So yeah, congrats. Feyenoord spot.
Waka waka.
Hey.
I have a feeling we're going to hit a lot of this guy in Topps UC Chrome. Lewandowski, Zakarin, Mbappe, Martinelli. I don't know. Spillage is leakage. Nicholas Seaworld, Furuhashi Refractor, and Dembele Pulsar. Nico Paz at the back. Nice. You've seen the tops? I have. That does look interesting. Chiro Mobley, Adeyemi, Future Stars, Evan Ferguson, and Bakayoko Future Stars. Yeah, I'm interested to see what they're all about. By the way, if you're not already part of the Dub Breaks Discord, please do join it.
That'd be really nice.
Leroy Sane, Harry Kane, Barella to 250. By the way, that's only our second numbered card at the box.
Ooh.
So I definitely do a couple more, I reckon.
Cooking.
I think in my box yesterday I got 3 numbered and then the numbered all set, so not a bad one, I guess. I mean, I do like this design. Well, have fun, lads. I'll watch after work. See you later, Luke. We're live at 9, opening Breakers Delight. Make sure to bookmark the show. Ndika, Danilo, Rafa Silva, and Kalicha. Ooh, London calling. Here we go. Mason Mount, Nunez, Memphis Depay.
Such good design.
Oh, that is the nicest card in the set. London calling.
I thought you liked the Star Wars.
Star Wars as well. They've done well. They're into. I think Galazzo's looking cred as well this year.
I prefer last year's, personally.
Is that Colin? Colin's joined. What a man. Rodrigo. Varela. Another Brighton to 299. Mitoma. Famously what got run over earlier by Lav. And
Why just say it like that?
Teo Zidane. Sorry.
It was on purpose.
It was. Out of 299, Kaoru Mitoma. High numbered FC at the moment, apart from the Yang. Ooh, what do we got here? Future Stars, Share Endure, and it is a Wonder Kid, Lewis Miley. And Bukayo Saka for RP trading cards.
You alright?
Smiley.
Not Smiley, no. Last 3 packs of this hobby box. Come on, one more numbered. We've got our second London calling in here. Pedri, Teelam, what is that? What is that?
You're a wizard, Harry.
That is a proper scratch in there. Not a single smashed glass in the phone box and no. Not true to life.
On the London calling.
Oh, yeah.
I get you. Garnacho
Nice.
on the next one. But yeah, these cards are sexy. Big fan.
Why are you sleeping? It looks stated.
Yeah, well,
That's refractive.
someone will get upset anyway if it's not sleeved.
A refract.
Frank. Ooh, pink lava. These are not numbered, but they look amazing. Joao Neves, Holm, Duranville, that's decent. Not bad. Borussia Dortmund, rookie. And Jorge Sanchez.
Nice.
Right age.
No.
What?
Right, last pack of the hobby box, and then... Ooh. Don't think it's numbered.
A one big dude.
Ueda all the pies. Not him. Nathan. Lewis Miley again. Oh, okay. And Ethan Mbappe was linked to a Queen's Park Power Rangers at one point this summer, but moved to Lille instead. Don't blame him. Beat you to it. Anyway, right.
Jumbo time.
Jumbo time. Cockwood into the hot seat. Don't disappoint. Ow!
That's a bit horrible.
It is.
Half of the mess that you made over there.
Here you go. Here you go. Right.
Have you got any spots? Commander.
Yeah. I was going to take some on whatnot, but I don't know how it works with the same address as this.
Can we... I'm going to stick those in there so I've got a bit of room. Cool. Right then.
Should clear his space.
We all good? Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Cool. Right then, Jumbo. 3 autos.
How many?
1, 3.
Yeah.
But last night, Tate's got 4 in one box.
Oh, wow.
And 2 case hits.
Help me.
Okay, Dad. But the reason why you're getting hot is because the chair's dropping that back.
Wait, what? I was.
What is wrong with
What?
stuff?
Right then,
I'm on the street.
let's go.
I'm
A lot of cards in these, so. Okay, great start. Are you alright?
No.
Right, well, these packs have got a lot of cards in them. I don't know where the numbered are.
It's all in the middle, I think it is.
Is it? Okay. Well,
I'm not, was it in the middle, the jumbo?
Yeah, I believe so.
Sergio.
Say all the names.
Jude! Galazzo. Gareth Bale,
Oh.
there it is. What's this? Yep. Foden.
Bit lucky.
Emery. Shooting stars for Hoyland. And Wonder Kids for Barcola. Very
One was 17 last year. His number. That's why he's 9 now. He was 9 last year though.
Yeah, I don't think.
Wasn't it Wout Weghorst?
Wow.
No, must have been a low year. Cavani was it at some point, I think. Was he 7?
And that 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Green? Interesting.
That 99 ago.
Right. Sauer. Lewandowski. Zachariah. Killian. Mason Mount. Donnarumma. Then we got Baumgartner. Gabby J. What a man. Soglo. Kamada.
Squeeze.
Mika Hamilton. And then in 75 we got Robert Lewandowski and Jude Musiala at the back.
Jude Musiala, that's my favourite player.
Jude Musiala.
Imagine that as a hybrid Pokemon.
Shut up.
What is, I don't like when he speaks sometimes.
Yeah. Let's just look at him. Like Harry.
Not numbered, no.
What? Screw you both.
Is he?
Dad and get him.
Is he heckling?
Yeah, you're heckling now. Shoes on the other foot.
Rodri.
Where's all your waters?
I don't know.
Camera, no!
What's happening? I haven't even moved. We've lost the camera. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, we're back on here.
Oh no, I love it. Whoa, that's cool.
Back. We've lost the camera.
Oh bloody hell.
What's happened?
Have you tried deactivation? Brilliant.
It's working here.
Maybe try unplugging it. It's that cable, yeah. So unplug it and then put it back in.
Then it goes back.
There we go. Right. Okay. We are back. Slight malfunction. Right. Back with the pack. Bino Gittins. Vinny Jr. Ollie Watkins. Zalabajlai. Fatty. Got Future Stars. Silver. Vita Roque. Isaacson. Tillman. Torre. Martinelli. And at the back we've got a London corner for Garnacho.
That's a never win. Giveaway time. What?
It's really upset with you.
Alright, you get upset with me. Alright.
Oh, what is that?
Well enough.
Yo, lads, gentlemen.
Oh, yeah. She was kissing the background.
Get away.
Right. Yamal. Durhamville. Can I help you?
Just smack it.
We need to angle it more on you, don't we?
Ah!
There we go.
No.
Isaac. Sane. Hurricane. Indika.
Oh.
Ferguson Auto. There it is.
Nice. That went cheap.
Wow.
Did Roy take
Future
that?
Stars Ferguson.
Evan! I think
Very
that
nice.
went pretty cheap, I'm pretty sure.
Gonzalez. Theo Zidane. Bakayo Saka. We got
Lee
a,
West.
we got a who? Van Persie Starball debut. Very nice. Evan Ferguson again. Wonder Kids. And then a Babadi.
That was clean.
Nice. What is going on behind me?
He's just clean dabbing. That's a good Evan Ferguson.
That's a nice Evan.
That's for Lee West. Welcome back to the breaks. Welcome to Dubtown.
His auto looks like Enzo Fernandez.
It does. Wait, that's a good point actually.
Is Lav in his boxers?
It will be later.
Who asked that?
KPT.
It can be.
Right. That's one auto.
It's jam.
Got 3 more to go. Not 2 more to go, sorry.
There you go. Just let you get more.
Right. Danilo. Rafa Silva. Pedri. Neves. Holm. Rueda. Natan. Valverde. Nadir. Ooh, spillage.
This is leakage.
Edison. Odegaard. And we've got shooting stars, Jonathan David at the back. And a Vinny Jr. to 175.
That's nice.
Purple lava.
For Jordan Mason.
Jordan Mason. Wow.
What a great design.
Hands up if you're not hit yet.
Hands up if you spent £200 you haven't hit yet.
Rough. Right. Lozano. Canate. Bowen. Correa. Virginius. That's loud. Saywald. Bueno.
Just getting ready.
Declan Rice. Forson. Kvachkelia. Folha. Sanchez. Arahula.
Oh, that's for Lavi.
That's for Lavi.
Oh yeah, base card.
No, pops not. No, let's be positive. Remember and whatnot.
Right. How many packs left? 6 packs left. Okay. 6 packs left. We've still got 2 autos and
Keep an eye out for that one.
Starboy. Ferguson. Gila. Homosa. David. Dybala. Sanchez. And Yang to 75. Orta. Again, we've already hit one of them, haven't we?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Thoughts?
Rico Lewis. Courtois. Kudus. Yeah, Starboy. Jimenez.
Oh.
Neymar Jr. Starboy. And then at the back, Lukaku.
Sort of the wing that is.
Celtic.
They are
Look who I am.
banker spots.
Hunting the robot.
Pretty nice. What's he doing?
Why did we invite him?
I don't know.
What do you mean, why?
I was 75 auto.
You did, to be fair. More than Harry Elvin.
Jay. What? You lot skip worrying me.
Okay, open the pack, please.
It's open. Nunez, Rodrigo, Varela, Donnarumma, Rodri, Future Stars Bino Gittins, with a Rivaldo Galazzo at the back.
Oh.
Very nice. Very nice Galazzo. Ben Doak, Haaland, Galino, sorry,
Bless you.
Lukaku, London's calling him Marlon, and then a Wonder Kids, Haroldson.
Oh,
It's been a bit of a wash box so far.
It's
Really?
still got...
Pick it up.
Because the last order is going to be Haaland.
Last auto is going to be an absolute...
You'd rather Haaland, Bellingham or Armine. Or Ardakuda. Bellingham. It's got to be Bellingham.
He hasn't got black names on it, I think.
No. That's true actually. Haaland does.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Giveaway winner.
Giveaway winner, who's that?
Circle it.
Zirkle.
Yeah, it's actually.
Yeah. Oh, we have the Black League Gold.
Oh, it's going to be
Oh,
stuff
50 Black Laser.
Super actually. Or was it gold?
It looked pretty yellow to me, mate.
Okay. Well,
Vinny Jr.,
that was just
Yeah.
Ollie Watkins, Jlabajlai, Fatty,
not very nice.
and then Antonio Silva. And that is a metal.
Oh, it was.
And then we have the Black Laser.
Go from top. It's a rookie.
That's Simmons.
50.
Who's
Okay,
that? Barcola
Oh,
to
KPT.
50 KPT. That's for you, my man.
Wow.
Wow, that's nice.
Go on.
Oh yes, that is.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Done it, by the way.
That's fit.
I want one. If I can get it in this top loader. Wow. Can you please send me a pic of that? Yeah, we can do.
I'll
We'll,
it now.
yeah, I'll give it to Jeebius.
I'll put it on the story, KPT, on Insta.
Unreal. That is a very nice card.
Something
Musiala, Babardi, Hula, Wayne Rooney.
Rooney.
Then the 399 off his cheek at the back with Erling Haaland. Wow, some nice cards.
Why am I getting on the pulse size?
Let's do that. Legend for you. So of course, KPT, you know what we do for you. We take care of you over here, you know. And you, Jonesy, don't worry. We think about you too.
Jonesy, what Jonesy needs to do is look at his recent haul from the museum break.
Yeah. Is Rooney and others on own? I think others. Yes, should be others.
Oh, Lee West, you won't believe this, but it was my cat that bid on the Ferguson spot. Incredible.
It was your cat.
Meow.
Or a cat.
Oh, your cat's done you a bit of a favour. Right. Durhamville, Isaac, Sane, Kane, Ndika, Danilo, Rafa Silva, Dumfries, Barrios, McAllister, Reina, Yang, and Vita Roque. Shooting stars for that. Alright, penultimate pack. And then we're on to breakers.
Breaker's delightful.
Yeah, we only trusted Lab with one pack.
It's literally the best pack out of any of the packs.
Pedri, Neves,
No.
Home, Idea, Uida, sorry. Might be the way forward, getting in the two spots. Yeah. Nathan, Lozano, Pulisic,
I'm getting restless.
Garnacho,
Nothing.
Gluck, Baleba, Dembele, Bino Gittins, and Gelano again.
One pack's out, but still. No, we'll get it.
What's that?
We've hit Wheels, aren't we?
F. Ferguson, Yang, and Barcola. Yes, indeed. Right, last pack. I think we are due possibly one more numbered. Maybe. I've got pink at the back. Konate, Bowen, Correa, Virginius, Seiwald, Immobile, Adiemi, Nyemeka, Simmons, Rakov, Pepe, London Calling. I've had a meltdown. Oh god. London Calling, Memphis Depay, and then at the back to 99 Marco Royce.
99.
Oh, 99.
Wow.
That last year was well high.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pinks were like 199, I think. Marco Royce, Bosch, and that'll do the jumbo break. Now we have the Breakers Delight coming up with Mr. Lav Breaks.
Go on, Laugh Breaks. Do us proud.
You know, it's in a Mashtag Brady film, it's in a taxi.
Yeah.
I'm doing this to save my own break.
Right then.
Sorry. Don't do it again. Scooch.
This is it. A first look. Breakers Delight.
This is the...
Yeah, that's the look. Say hello to the stream lab.
Hello, Streamlab. Breakers Delight. In the bin, please.
I wonder what the pack looks like. Oh!
Ooh!
You can't see it, but oh, there we go.
One single pack.
It's chunky
It's quite chunky. It's 12 cards.
for a crusade. Gee.
That seems... I don't know. Packs with a special insert may contain less cards, it says.
We don't need this box because we can just put them right there.
Yeah.
So there's only 12 cords.
They're all regular sized cards. I think the first couple will be refractors. So Sensio, Kobayashi, Kamada,
A lot of refractors.
it's an auto, Defender,
Future Stars Defender. They're going to be Rika Lewis.
probably.
Yeah.
There's one of them.
Underneath him though, another defender. Lenny Euro auto. That's quite nice.
Chris.
So Suarez, very nice.
That's a decent one there.
Underneath him, a midfielder. Fermin Lopez auto.
Oh, 3
Ooh.
autos.
Okay.
Yeah, it is free autos.
Oh, it's 2.
What's this?
Free.
Theo
Oh,
Zidane
that's
Youthquake.
exclusive. Nice.
It's quite nice.
Left. Ray. Another future stars for midfielder. Bino Gittins to 399. Okay. Not a rookie.
True green.
Midfielder. Theo Zidane again
Oh,
at 75. Midfielder again.
African Madrid, Barrios.
Barrios. Underneath him, a defender by the name of Virgil van Dijk. There we go. That's breakers.
I mean, that Lenny Euro is... That's a nice one for Suarez.
I didn't hit a card.
I'm sorry. That, yeah. Nor did I, but you did spend more.
A lot more.
That's on the story for Suarez. Can you do a quick recap of the hits for me, please?
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
You top load this?
Yeah, it's exclusive.
What's chat saying? Nothing.
Remember, we're live again at 5 o'clock, everyone, with hobby randoms and jumbo randoms.
It's in half an hour.
So, yeah, in half an hour.
4 refractors is poor, I think.
Yeah, I agree. But we're breaking it live at 9. Oh my god.
What?
Hold on, I need to find it again. Did I just see what I just saw? Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Gary. Appreciate that.
Who hit that, Jason or the other one?
That was the other one, I think. Yeah. That was in the 10k set.
Bloody hell.
It's out of 10. Whoa. Thought it'd be a 1 of 1.
Alright.
Quick recap.
Lenny Euro out of 250 auto. Barrios out of 150. Zidane out of 75. Zidane Youthquake. Bino Gittins out of 399. Van Dijk Green Lava. Rico Lewis base auto and Fermin Lopez base auto. And then we got Hyun Young Yang out of 75 auto. Evan Ferguson auto. Malambu auto. What was that?
It's a rookie.
Belabor Pulsar.
Yeah.
Bradley Barcola out of 50 autograph. That's the black laser in it.
Yeah,
Very nice. At 99, Marco Royce. Vinny Jr. to 175. Lewandowski to 75. Duranville, that's I think it's a pink lava. Mitoma at 299. Hyang out of 50. Barella at 250. And Ruben Loftus-Cheek at 399.
Thank you very much, everybody, for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in at 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Take care.